All right, folks, good morning. It is the 28th of October, 2022. And this is the 5-minute chart for the ES December contract E-mini. And I traded it in the pre-market today, made a little over 500 bucks, and I was done. But look at this. Man, I think continued to rise. I made 500 bucks, but right now I'd be up about $3,600. So one contract. So anyway, but it can turn on you quick too. So here's what I was looking at. So this is the first, or this is not the first 5-minute candle. This is at 8:30 East Coast time. And what that is a report that came out. So I go here to forexfactory.com and see the 8:30 a.m. That's all Eastern time, like I said, Eastern time. Like I said, this is the core PCE price index. You can look what it is. It'll tell you the economy analysis. But the main thing you got to look at for on these are if it's a bright red folder, you stay out. And right, for when the announcement comes out. That is also the rules from TOPSTEP. You can't trade that minute, 1 minute before, 1 minute after. It goes crazy, folks. I will show you here. This is a 5-minute chart, but let's look over here 1 minute. That 1 minute candle, it went all the way up to 38.27, and it was down at 37.87. So that's 40 points, and that's huge. So I just, I got to sit out anyway, but it just makes sense. So what I looked at next was the DMI. Now the DMI was showing that the green went way up and the red was going down. So it tells me it's going into a bullish mode. Same with the 15-minute chart. Okay, this is that same area. And look how this is spread out. Now, if this is spread out like this, that means it's going into a bull mode if the green is above and the red's below. So what I did was I went back over and looked at the 1 minute chart, and it looked to me like a good sell below this low. But I didn't think it was going to go down too far because, like I said, this was still green. And the 5-minute and the 15-minute, all those, the green was way up here and the red was going down. So the look of the market was it was going to go up. So this red line here is the overnight open. So this is the open of today's opening, but it happened at 1800 hours yesterday afternoon. After the market had closed, it opened up again at 1800 hours, and that was the opening price. And I believe it was 37.98 and a quarter. I believe it is. So what I was looking for was, let's look for a buying opportunity. And being on the 1 minute chart, it came down to that and hung out at the overnight open. And then it pulled up and pulled back. And I put in a buy order above this high right here. If you look over here, that high is 3808 even. I put my order in at 3808.25 on a stop, and I got filled at like 9 something. I think it was 09. That thing jumped right through it, but it was okay because it took off, and I had an automatic take profit, 10 points out, and I think I added an extra tick to it. So I got automatically filled here. This is still before the market opened. And once I got my money, I walked away. And I could have traded that first 5-minute candle and everything else, or just, on your open, there's another way to trade this is just put a buy stop above that high of that big candle, because there's a lot of stop orders above, I'm guessing, that will trigger at that point. And it looks like that's what happened. But getting back to my trade, it was a good, clean trade. The bands, all the moving averages were heading up. You're trading with the force of the market. This is the 4,000 ticks chart. Everything was just looking like it wanted to go up. So I went ahead and took the trade. I had a 2-point stop loss in place. It automatically, when I put in the order, it automatically puts in the buy and the sell order, the sell stop and a sell, not a buy, but a sell stop and a sell take profit. So I'll get over here just to show you I'm not full of gas here. So let's go here. See, I made so $512. Took one trade today. It lasted about a little over 6 minutes, and yeah, so I got out at 381 19 and a quarter. So yeah, I got a bad fill, but it just took off with me or for me. So all in all, I consider that a good trade, even though or good trading day, even though the market has continued to go up. Uh, I don't feel bad because it can go against you real quick too. So I take my money and run. And I hope you have a good trading day or had a good trading day. And I appreciate you watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get and hit the notification bell if you want to get updated when I post a new video. So have a good weekend, and we will see you next week in another video. Thank you.